Hey everyone, welcome back to another math video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about what is an altitude in geometry. So let's go ahead, let's get started. So here I have a triangle. Okay, what the altitude of a triangle is when we go from one of the points of a triangle. So for example, let's say point B. And we're going to go in a straight line towards the opposite side. And the goal is going to be to meet this side at a 90-degree angle. So let me go ahead and draw that line out. So I'm just going to go straight down or straight towards the other side that's opposite of this triangle, hoping and trying to meet it at a 90-degree angle. And this line right here is what we call the altitude. Okay. Now a triangle can have various altitudes. All right. A maximum of 3 because there's only 3 points and 3 sides. All right. So let's go ahead and let's draw out the other altitudes. So here's the altitude for point B. Let's go and draw the altitude for point A. Again, my goal is to simply draw a line that's going to go straight towards this side so that it meets it at a 90-degree angle like I did here. So let's go ahead. We're going to draw a straight line as best as we can. Okay, it's okay, decent enough, but 90-degree angle met. All right, and you can see that these two crossed each other at a point. We're going to talk about what we call this point right now, because you're going to see when I draw the one for point C going directly towards this side, it should cross at that exact point. So let's go ahead and let's draw a straight line going straight towards, there we go. So 90-degree angle. Here you have triangle ABC with all of its 3 altitudes drawn out. And you can see here that they all cross each other at the same point. This point does have a special name, although it doesn't have any really special properties. We do have a name for it. And we call this point right here the orthocenter. All right. So now let's go ahead and let's look at a problem that asks us to find this orthocenter. A lot of times the questions in geometry will be about asking us which point is the orthocenter. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at a problem where we actually have to construct an orthocenter. So this question asks, where is the orthocenter of triangle ABC? So I'm going to start off with point A, drawing the altitude for that because I can see that it actually matches up with this line, so all I have to do is follow that line. That's as close as I'm going to get to a perfect 90-degree angle. Now I'm going to look at point B. I'm going to draw a line as best as I can. It's going straight, connecting these two. Okay, 90-degree angle. And really, if I'm talking about finding the orthocenter, I really should just have to draw 2 lines because the third one's going to cross at that same point that these two just crossed. But just to be safe, let's draw the third one. You never know, what if I messed up on the second one? Oh, but it's looking like it just confirms my answer, which the orthocenter is at this point, which is on the y-axis at point 4, which means the location would be 0, 4 is my orthocenter. And that's how you find the orthocenter, ladies and gentlemen. So hopefully now you feel comfortable with the definition of an altitude and the orthocenter. Remember that the orthocenter is just the point where the 3 altitudes are going to cross each other. Okay, and hopefully now you can draw altitudes on your own. All right, like I said, most geometry problems will show you a picture and they'll say, hey, can you spot out the orthocenter? Or they'll ask you, can you draw the altitudes and find the orthocenter? Okay, as always, I hope you guys are continuing to learn math, and I just want to thank you for watching.